Hello, good evening guys. I'm going to test night vision P4 for the driving camera. I just put the infrared torch outside the vehicle because the infrared light will be better quality if you put it inside. So now I'm going to do is drive along the road which is very dark. Of course it's safe driving route. So I'm going to turn off the light and use this P4. I just watch the screen, then drive along the road. So this is one of the equipment for emergency, not for daily use, but for emergency. It's very dark outside. I cannot see anything, but I can see from a screen. I just drive along the way with my screen. It's very safe. So use P4. You can use it as a driving camera for the emergency situation. Okay, let's try it again. Dark again. I'm watching the screen and drive with a P4. It's very safe. Don't worry.